Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode today. We're going down to Las Vegas, Nevada. First up, I'm going to make a cocktail. Make sure you stay till the very end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Today we're going to make a Twilight Zone. I actually have a frosted glass. The frost is already kind of come off of it, but trust me, it's nice and cold. And for Twilight Zone, it calls for a 1/4 ounce of light rum, 1/4 ounce of dark rum, and a 1/4 ounce of 151 rum. Today I'm just going to use a 1/4 ounce of white rum, 1/4 ounce of, it's actually a rum and brandy mix, and a 1/4 ounce of spiced rum. So we're just going to pour that over ice in my frosty, or used to be frosty, glass. So that's a 1/4 ounce of spiced rum, 1/4 ounce of my rum brandy mix, and a 1/4 ounce of white rum, and a 1/2 ounce of OJ, 1/4 ounce of triple sec, and we're just going to finish it off with some pineapple juice. And that, my friends, is a Twilight Zone. Coming up next, we're going to Vegas. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. If you like this episode, I'm going to go back to Fremont Street and I'll be putting out some shorts of just the people watching on Fremont Street next week. So check it out. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie also says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.